We came from Singapore. Why we came is because we saw Mamu on Facebook about a year and a half ago, 1 tahun setengah yang lalu. Mamu masak, then daca Mamu nampak sedap sekali dalam video. And then masa tu Mamu belum ada kedai. Then bila dapat tahu Mamu ada kedai, we made an effort to come here in Penang and also try his masakan. So sedap. Alhamdulillah. My husband has it.
Yeah, and actually, when we travel, we try to, support like small businesses. And when I saw the video of him pouring the dacha, I was like, we must try. And we came here, no lie, the best I've had. Better than Singapore, better than JB. It's top notch. So if you're coming to Penang, you must come here and try.
Alhamdulillah kami berbangga lah karena ada pelanggan-pelanggan yang datang dari jauh untuk nikmati masakan kami lah. InsyaAllah siapa-siapa ada peluang boleh datang jugalah.